Tonight I am making shrimp and broccoli Alfredo. A little bit of the broccoli here with the butter. Then I have my shrimp here with some broccoli because I have broccoli in my spoon. My shrimp seasoned, all nice. I'm going to pour the shrimp into the pans. It's the mama shrimps and the baby shrimps. And let that cook for a little bit. Okay, so I added my broccoli in just to get it going. If you hear the water in the background, I mean that sound in the background is the water. My aunt always told me when I'm cooking to keep the water running because you have to wash your hands multiple times. So I let my water run while I cut it. So this is almost done. These are almost pink, but I'm not worried about it because when I put the Alfredo sauce, I let it cook more, and then the shrimp will start cooking and get fully cooked. So let's add the sauce. I usually get the Parmesan. My husband does not like Parmesan. So we got the regular classic Alfredo. Classic Alfredo. Come on now, Jasmine. Come on now, Jasmine. Now, I usually do heavy cream with this, but I feel like I was getting a hot flash in the store and said, yep, time to go. So I forgot it. We're going to mix this and let this cook. I'll be back. Okay, all mixed in. Now, while that's cooking, I'm going to do my noodles, which should have been done already, but I'll do what I want. Here is my Alfredo. I kind of wish I would have bought the cream. It would be a little bit thicker, but that's the Alfredo. That's done. I'm going to keep that covered. Garlic bread, but guess what? I am not putting the oven on because I'm already sweating in my neck. It's hot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover this, let this cook. I'm going to cover it real tight so the heat is butter in the pan, can cook it and all that. And they're going to be upset, but they're going to still eat it. We are done and ready to eat. And it's still crispy. Whew. Ready to eat.